Hello there, myself Krishnatejaswi S, a fourth year CAC student graduating out of RVCE. I had the privilege of serving as the president of the Coding Club of RVCE for the past term. Let me tell you about my journey toward the club. What does this club do? This is a student-driven initiative, a community wherein students come together to learn development and solve problems through code. This club also hosts multiple hackathons, competitions, and coding contests. We organize hands-on workshops for juniors, ranging from cybersecurity, machine learning, as well as various different development verticals. We have different verticals in our club to encourage students to participate in multiple facets of development. Coming to my journey, I was in first year when I entered as a member to the Coding Club. Herein, I met a plethora of students, peer groups, wherein they share the same mentality as me. In second year, I had the privilege of becoming core member, wherein I got to organize multiple hackathons in the college. This helped me understand the sheer scale of execution as well as resource management. As a president, I had the privilege of organizing a national level Capture the Flag program in collaboration with IIT Bombay, wherein I got the experience of handling national level events, as well as this helped two institutions to bond together over a common goal. The power of the Coding Club lies in its seniors and alumni. We basically push the innovation through the support of senior management. Coming to the club life, we had a lot of fun in club building various projects. Along with that, let's say the club gave me a best set of friends throughout the college, wherein I could do multiple things. I shared laughters, I made memories, I built projects, and I cracked placements. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. This is one of the coolest things the college has provided me for.